What did it really mean to live as a resistance fighter in 1944 in the Maquis? Walking into camps like this, you see just how improvised their world was. Nothing standard, nothing guaranteed. And fighters survived with a mix of civilian clothes, scavenged enemy gear, and whatever supplies the Allies managed to drop. These camps were fragile lifelines where survival and defiance went hand in hand. At D-Day Conneaut, Ohio, we try to capture a glimpse of that world. Stay with me and let's walk back in time and you'll see how the resistance lived, fought, and endured in their encampments. By the later stages of the war, some resistance groups gained more uniformity through Allied drops and kit, and also whatever they may have captured from the enemy. But much of what they had was still improvised, a blend of military and civilian clothing and kit. Their fight was much more about courage and persistence than it was about necessarily their weapons. Do you think the resistance gets enough recognition compared to regular armies of World War II? Let me know your thoughts and reasoning in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And follow along as we build together a better picture of the bravery and contributions of the resistance here on Brave Builds.